Okay, so one thing I want to go over with you real quick, just to make sure that you understand, which this is what I see. You won't see it this way, but once you get into the work, then there's a couple things that I wanted to make sure that you understand what was being asked. Like this is determine the order of the matrix. That just means how many rows and how many columns. So there's one row and there's two columns. So that's it. That's your answer. Submit. It even breaks it down and shows you this, okay? So let's go ahead and go back. That's pretty simple. I know I kind of went quick, but I mean, it's really, really pretty quick and easy. This one, you got to identify the matrix elements. It only gives you whatever matrix the letter is. So C43, C is here. 43 means you're looking for the fourth row, third term. Okay, so the first number is what row you go to, and then the second number is whatever column. So third term would be 6. Submit answer. Yay, I got it right. All you do. Fourth row, third column. 4, 6. Or 4, and then the third, and then, so the answer is 6. Let's see. Addition and subtraction. On your calculator, you will do this. These are 2 by 2 matrices. So you'll hit alpha F3 just like I showed you in the video. If you haven't seen the other video yet, you need to go find it. And it shows you how to type in matrices on a calculator. And you just do, it says B plus A. So type in the B matrix first and then add it to the A matrix. On this one, doesn't matter because you're doing addition. Really, A plus B is the same as B plus A. When you get to multiplication, it's a little bit different. That's why on this one, it says with the given the matrices A and B, find the product of AB as well as the product BA. It's not like when you multiply 5 and 2 together, it's the same as 2 times 5. 5 times 2 and 2 times 5 is the same thing. Well, matrices is different because of the way that the numbers relate to each other. So it even, sometimes it's going to break it down, sometimes it won't. This will be A times B, so that matrix times this matrix, and then B times A. There's 2 different problems here. Make sure you do them both. Let's see. I don't think it tells you, breaks it down every single time it tells you. It might. Let's see. Okay, well that's good. But just remember, it's going to tell you to do, so if you're doing AB, then you type in your calculator just like this. And you can put a time symbol in between it. If you don't put the time symbol in between it, it's going to do it automatically. But just make sure you follow the directions, and that if you calculate this part, you put it where that answer goes. And BA, make sure you put it where this answer goes. It's not that difficult, a little bit time consuming, I know. The other thing you're going to run into, though, that I missed a second ago on the matrix elements, sometimes you're going to have the ones that are undefined. So let's go ahead and let me find a problem that's undefined. Okay, right off the bat, I found one. So this says the element 1, 2. Okay, so that's the first row. That would be the second column. Well, there's not a second column. So that answer would be undefined. I would select undefined, good to go. Other than that, I know I kind of went real quick through this, but I don't like to make my videos too long because it's going to make it boring for you. If you have any more trouble, just go ahead and pop on the Google Meet. I will be there. I will explain whatever you need explained to you, and we'll move on. All right.